Hello everyone. Hi Scorpio. This is the reading for you and this is mid-month reading for the month December. And this is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. Take what resonate and leave the rest. So let's see your messages. Scorpio, water sign. Okay. Two cards I'm not taking. Scorpio, your messages. Okay. First card, Two of Cups. Magician and Judgment. Okay, let's see. Okay, two cards. Okay. Okay, now I will explain in detail. Yeah, you are manifesting everything in your life right now. You are in manifesting energy. Scorpio, yeah. You are celebrating something in your life, like career wise, whatever. Some major decisions are also going to be take. Okay, you are going to be make. Okay, Judgment is here definitely. Yeah, and your wishes are also going to be granted. Nine of Cups, but I think in some area of your life you are feeling overburdened. It could be in your work area, in or in relationship for something. Right now, you are going something heavy. Okay, this energy. And the devil, your person could be Capricorn also. I think one person, there is some obsession in this connection, some hangman, and your person may be stuck on you right now. They're coming back. That's why you are going to make some major decisions. For some, right now you're working towards your career and goals. In that way, you are going to make some major decisions. And Ten of Cups, yeah, some happiness is also coming in your way at end of the day. What is your final is in this reading, in this cards, this is definitely some happiness, some love is coming in your way. Yeah, but in past there could be some deception in this connection, some obsession also. You may be obsessed with each other. That's why you are feeling heavy in relationship wise, overburdened. I think the one person who always in this connection care for is you, Scorpio. That's why you are feeling overburdened. You are feeling stuck because everything you have to put your efforts in this connection, but your person not. There is no equal give and take. And for some there is some obsession also because the devil is here. I think you may be obsessed with your person and you are feeling like insecurity when you are with your person. For some it could be third party also, but definitely it is coming towards you. Ten of Cups, for some it could be new love also coming towards you. Yeah, you are manifesting something new in your life. And Three of Cups, in past something there could be celebration, and for some it could be, if it is not happen, definitely it will be happen in near future, some celebration also. For some your person coming back for reconciliation, but you have to make decision. Final decision is yours, but your wishes are going to be granted, what I am saying. And you started something new in your life with passionate energy in work area also and in your love life. Whatever, you are very passionate about that. Okay, you are very interested and you are doing like that very interesting, like with passionate energy. Ace of Wands. Yeah, I think for some your person may be stuck on you. That's why they are coming back, but there is some deception. I think you both are obsessed with each other for some. Yeah, so here what I am, lot of water energy. Your person could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Okay, but you are manifesting everything in your life. What I am seeing here, love, passion, definitely you are manifesting everything in your life. Your wishes are going to be granted. I am only getting positive readings, but here the devil card. But even though it could be your person sign also, not every time the devil card is negative, but it could be your person could be Capricorn also for some. So what I am seeing here, definitely there is some positive changes are coming in your life, Scorpio. So let's see your person current feelings and the near future actions towards you. Then we will get more clarity. What's going? Scorpio. Okay, first card. Eight of Wands, communication. King of Pentacles. Star. Wow. Yeah. Definitely you will receive some communication from your person and definitely they want to communicate you. King of Pentacles. In past there is no stability in this connection, now your person want to offer stability. If in past there is stability, now your person want to take this relationship to next level, because they seeing you like this star. Yeah, you are hope for their life. Definitely they are seeing you as a special person in their life. You both could be friends also, not always relationship means lovers, not, it could be friendship also. Definitely some stability is coming in your relationship, what I am getting here. 8 of Wands with the King of Pentacles and the Star. Wow, you or your person could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. Yeah, communication, lot of communication. Let's see the near future actions towards you. Four of Cups, Magician 2 times. What? I think they are also manifesting you. I think you are manifesting everything in your life right now, but your person trying to manifesting you back because they are feeling missed opportunity with you if you are in separation. For some, your person may be feeling scared because you are not going to accept. They are thinking that's way. And for some, it could be some painful past issues between both of you guys. 10 of Swords. Some cycles are going to be between you and your person. And your person right now feeling this way. Okay, for some, your person want new beginnings with you. Definitely they want new beginnings because 8 of Wands with King of Pentacles and the Star. Yeah, whatever had happened between both of you guys, definitely your person feeling sad for that and they're scared to lose you. Definitely they are trying to manifesting you back. Literally they are trying to manifest. Yeah, you are also trying to manifest your person back. I think you both are on the same page for some Scorpio. Yeah, because this time they are coming, they are thinking about to offer. King of Pentacles means long-term stability, long-term commitment, and the Star, definitely they are seeing, they're still hoping for this connection. They're still hoping for second chance with you. If you are in separation, if you are not in separation, they want to take this relationship to next level. You or your person could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. So let's see, let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed in near future. Scorpio, Queen of Wands, 6 of Pentacles, yeah. Emperor, okay. And 2 of Swords. Yeah, one person in this connection have to make decision because Judgment is also there. I think it's you, Scorpio. You have to make decision because they are coming back with solid offer and they want to offer now equal give and take, but you stand by your power. Now you have to take your decision. Yeah, 2 of Swords. Decision is in your head, Scorpio, what I am getting here, but energy could be vice versa. Take what resonate and leave the rest, guys. Definitely this time, I think in near future in this connection there will be equal give and take. Okay, because these are mutual energies, connection cards. Definitely for some there will be reconciliation because your person now coming back with Emperor, coming back like Emperor, because Emperor energy is very committed and they are very honest but little stubborn. Okay, but they are coming back to offer equal give and take, and you also stand by your power. But now ball is in your court, your decision is final. You have to make your decision, Scorpio. So take what resonate and leave the rest. You or your person could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, or Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, or Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. So Scorpio, let's see your overall energy. Yeah, you want 6 of Pentacles. It's coming. Chariot. Wow. 9 of Wands. Yeah. Things are turning in your favor, Scorpio. And 9 of Wands, you are guarded right now. You have to make decision. It's decision time. And Chariot. Yeah, you also want to take this relationship to next level. For some, you are now concentrating on your career. You started something new in your life. For some, you are concentrating on your Pentacles right now. But your person is coming back to offer equal give and take. Okay. You or your person could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, or Cancer, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Let's see your person overall energy. 7 of Pentacles, 9 of Pentacles, Strength, and 9 of Cups. Yeah, they are wishing for this connection. you are their wish fulfillment, because the star is here and the strength. Yeah, they are getting their strength to come towards you. And Nine of Pentacles, your person may be abundant and they are financially stable, but if not, they want to stable, they want to financially stable before coming towards you. And Seven of Pentacles, definitely they want to invest in this connection. For some, your person already invested in this connection, because energy could be vice versa. So for some, your person already invested, but not as much as you invested in this connection. That's why there are some misunderstandings happening between both of you guys. But now they are coming back to offer equal give and take. So it's up to you what to do, what not to do, Scorpio. Yeah. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel. Please do support me guys and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notification. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Bye.